In this video, I am going to be fixing a leaky metal roof, and I'm going to end up cleaning the gutters on the house. So stay in the video till the end. Give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel or follow me depending on where you're watching this video. God bless you all. Have a great day. Okay, so today we're working here close to Balch Springs, and I'm gonna seal all this area right here. But first I gotta finish cleaning all of this up. And I started cleaning the gutters. But I'm gonna have to wash with pressure all of this inside of the gutters. All of this to try to get all the sand out. As you can see that there's a bunch of trash I got out of most of the gutters. I just gotta do the front of the house. But I'm gonna do this so I can wash it while I clean the front. This is gonna dry so I can lift this up, and I'm gonna seal that so the water doesn't go back over there. But yeah, the gutters were extra dirty. They had a lot of trash. And I gotta run pressure water and get everything to the corner and then throw everything down by hand. I gotta go do all this, and then I gotta go all the way to the front. So if you need any work, there's my... Okay, so I'm almost done sealing this metal roof. There on the side, some pieces are almost coming loose, so I'm gonna re-screw them with this. They have a plastic cap, so no water gets through them. So I don't even have to put the sealing on these holes. This one, just put in the screw, because it already has a sealer. And then on the bottom, all the white stuff is sealant that I put under there, because the water towards the house. And once I finish with that, I'm gonna finish cleaning the gutters, and that's it for today. So if you got any work, 469-579-2922, and I will take care of you. I work all around Dallas-Fort Worth, so give me a call. Acá de este lado también están bien cochinas las gutters, so nomás había cobrado por la parte de atrás. I had only charged to do the gutters in the back, but they have a lot of nastiness on the gutters up here too, so I'm gonna clean them up and wash them, make sure they're working good. As always, I always like to go the extra mile when I'm doing work for people, so yeah, we're gonna clean this up. Let's go. Okay, so this is what the gutters gonna look when you finish cleaning them. That's why I'm using the water. Put a bunch of sand in there. Where everything's on the ground. And that's how we clean the gutters. Make sure they don't have problems for at least 1 or 2 years before they have to clean them again. Alright, just finished cleaning the gutters. So all the gutters are cleaned. All this has been sealed. The way over there. The gutters back here, they're clean as well. Same thing, these ones are clean already. Now I just gotta go down there and pick up all the leaves and put my tools up, and that's it. Gotta clean the front too. But yeah, pretty much on the way over there, they're clean now. Well, we had a pretty long work day. I was by myself, so I did the 2 jobs I was supposed to do in 2 days. I finished in 1, but by myself. And now I'm out here walking at Peace Park. It's a beautiful place. But this water has been off, so it's starting to turn green. But we're here. I want to see how I feel when I get to the pull-up bars. See all that water. Feel like taking a dip in there, but it's too dirty. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the pull-up bars and hopefully I can do some pull-ups, some push-ups. Man, I'm drained. I'm out of energy. Sweated too much and I only got a water. I should have gotten some Gatorade.